In the video today, I'm gonna show you how to make some interesting party tricks. To make this, you'll need very simple implement: colorful papers, paper cup, scissors, a pump, balloons, and soft sponge. First, use scissors to cut colorful paper into tiny pieces. Put all pieces of paper you've cut so far into the balloon. Remember to be carefully, else the balloon will be punctured. Then, pump the balloon and use soft sponge, touch very slightly onto the bowl so that the paper we put in will stick to the balloon. And finally, done! Second trick, magic money. For the first step, put the money in the middle of the paper. This is followed by folding the two edges of the money on the two sides of the paper for fixation, like this. After that, flip the paper back and fold it into half. Use the pencil and carefully poke the hole in the center of the paper, like this. Then, stretch the paper round and ta-da! Let's see, the money is still intact. Wow, it's such a wonderful thing, right? Is it the magic here? No, it's just a trick. Now, let's see how it works. When you make the hole, instead of piercing through the money, let's just hit the paper like this. Easy, right? Another small trick using money. Fold the money in zigzag style like this. After that, use two paper clips to pin the money, as this is shown here. Finally, stretch it out, and ta-da! I bet that your friend will be amazed by the way you do it like that. For the next tip, you need a plastic tube, a can, and a towel. What you have to do is to use the towel to wrap into the tube in order to create friction. Ta-da! Very impressive, is it? I'm going to show you how to turn a short straw into a long one. Are you curious? Okay. I'll not let you wait longer. Let's see. Very simple. The trick is cut the straw. Then, before you make the performance, roll the straw like this. And hold it tightly. After that, slowly stretch it out. It seems like you have magic, right? In this part, it will be guided how to make a multifunction pencil. First, sharpen the two pencil tips with a knife. Put it down, you'll need it later. Then, make a small hole in the rubber by using a drill or anything that is sharp. After that, you just need to plug one part of the pencil in the hole and done! You now can use it. Very convenient because you don't have to worry about finding an eraser while you're working. Easy, huh? Now, I'm gonna show you how to make your own DIY ironing board by using familiar materials. In order to make this, all you need are 4 pieces of rectangle paper to make the 4 legs, double-sided tape, and a wooden cutting board. For the first step, tightly roll the paper and use double-sided tape to fix it. Remember to roll it as tight as possible because the iron might be quite heavy, so you'll definitely need strong legs. Next, put the 4 rolling paper to the 4 corners and then put the cutting board on, and that's it. Very simple, right? I bet you will definitely be impressed by this.